National Institute of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises is an organization of Ministry of MSME, Government of India. And through this institute, Ministry's flagship program, that is Entrepreneurship Skill Development Program, programs are being organized in many states, empowering youth to take up self-employment activity. This institute has been rendering these kind of human services for the past 50 years, and many thousands of youth, lakhs of executives were trained in the field of entrepreneurship and self-employment. And it is because of these kind of training programs, many youth not only started their ventures but successfully they have managed it also and grown to greater heights also. So this institute continuing that process, and in the years to come many more youth are going to be continually trained in various trades, so that instead of looking for some kind of a job, they can become their own bosses and provide employment to many more youth who are not in a position to go for self-employment. So it is because of this objective only this institute has been sincerely extending its services, and I sincerely wish that as many youth as possible they should come forward and take advantage of the important flagship program of this ministry. In order to implement effectively as a national institute, it may not be possible to go each and every district, each and every place. It is because of that reason this institute, with some of the institutions like COVE, who have got some kind of expertise and experience in imparting training programs on various states. So it is because of that reason COVE has been identified as one of the partner institute of this NIMSME, and through COVE and many more such kind of institutions, this flagship program is being implemented in a very big way. We have at the moment 32 partner institutions in different parts of the country, and around 60 institutions within Andhra Pradesh. And through these institutions, this institute getting it implemented, this particular scheme. In order to have the effective implementation, even NIMSME has come up with a very specialized training program. Specialized training program in the sense, the faculties of these institutions are being trained at NIMSME, that is training of trainers. So in order to sharpen their skills, so that they can impart similar kind of skills at the grassroots level. So these are the kind of major initiatives taken up by this ministry as well this institute. And our institute has got many more mandates, not only the entrepreneurship skill development programs or entrepreneurship development programs. This institute is providing training to various international executives also every year. In an average, around 500 executives are getting trained in this particular campus, which is located at Yusuf Guda. And national executives related to various industries departments, constantly they come time to time, theme-based training programs, and after that they go to the field and they transmit that kind of skills to various youth in order to take up the self-employment.